This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Pull the hood release lever, located on the driver's side kick panel. Lift the hood safety latch and raise the hood upwards. Apply the parking brake and block the wheels. If the vehicle has just been driven, allow the engine to cool before beginning this procedure. When the engine is completely cool, remove the pressure cap on the expansion tank. If the bottom radiator splash shield blocks access to the radiator drain plug, unscrew the fasteners and remove the splash shield. Move a large container under the radiator drain to catch the coolant. The drain fitting is located at the bottom left side, or driver's side, of the radiator. It is a good idea to attach a rubber hose to the drain nozzle to accurately guide the coolant into the container. Open the drain fitting by unscrewing it with an Allen wrench. Allow the coolant to drain completely. While the coolant is draining, check the condition of the radiator hoses, heater hoses, and clamps. Replace any damaged clamps or hoses. Once coolant stops flowing out of the radiator drain, tighten the drain plug securely and remove the hose from the nozzle. Install the lower radiator splash shield and tighten the fasteners securely. Place the heater temperature control in the maximum heat position. Slowly add new coolant, which consists of a 50-50 mixture of water and antifreeze, to the expansion tank until it reaches the top of the cold fill range, indicated on the side of the tank. Leave the expansion tank cap off and run the engine in a well-ventilated area until the thermostat opens. Coolant will begin flowing through the radiator and the upper radiator hose will become hot. Turn the engine off and let it cool. Add more coolant mixture to bring the level back up to the top of the cold fill range. Squeeze the upper radiator hose to expel air, then add more coolant mixture if necessary. Install the pressure cap securely onto the expansion tank. Start the engine, allow it to reach normal operating temperature, and check for coolant leaks.